Welcome to WebStylePress. If you use Visual Studio Code, you probably use an extension to launch a development local server for static and dynamic pages. Extensions, live server, live server. Launch a development local server with the live reload feature for static and dynamic pages, or live server preview. As a web developer, front-end developer, or software engineer, I am sure you use Node.js. If you use Node, you do not need Visual Studio Code extension for local server. You can just install npm package serve globally and use that. So inside your project directory, open your terminal and use command like yarn global add serve. I use yarn mostly instead of npm, so I am installing serve as a global package for yarn. You can also use your code editor terminal for these commands. Click here, go to terminal, and you can use commands here as well. Now that serve is installed globally for yarn, to verify installation, you can view globally installed packages for yarn with this command, yarn global list. And as you can see, serve has installed globally. Clear. Now you just have to use the command serve. There you go. Now our project or page is being served at localhost and using port number 5000. This is our page. Now obviously this URL is a lot better than this URL, right? To stop local server, use Control C. Refresh. Local server is off. You can also use npx serve command to fire up local server. Refresh, and our page is available at local server again. I hope you like this tip. Give this video a like, subscribe to channel, share this tip, and I will see you in the next video.